Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to the second lecture of support and movement. Today our topic is endoskeleton. As its name shows, endoskeleton is a type of rigid skeleton that is present within the body of organism. Endoskeleton is present in all vertebrates. Vertebral skeleton is composed of either bone or cartilage. Only cartilaginous fishes are the organisms that have whole skeleton composed of cartilage, whereas all other vertebrates have bony skeleton with cartilage at some places, such as in joints and between the vertebrae. The branch of science under which we study about the bones is known as osteology. Now, the skeleton is composed of bone or cartilage. Bone is known as hard connective tissue, while cartilage is known as the soft connective tissues. First, we will discuss bone. Bone has two parts, spongy bone and compact bone. Spongy bone is the inner bone and it is the porous part of the bone, whereas the compact bone is the outer part of the bone and it is the rigid part of the bone. Bone. Bone is composed of two parts, compact bone and spongy bone. First of all, we will discuss compact bone. Compact bone, it is the outer hard shell of the bone. It is composed of tubular units that are known as osteon. These osteons are also known as Haversian system. In osteon, bone cells are arranged that are known as osteocytes. These osteocytes are present in small chamber known as lacunae. These lacunae are arranged around a central canal in circles. Now, the matrix of osteon is present in circular rings. This matrix is known as lamella. Within the lamella, canaliculi are present. These canaliculi are the tiny channels that runs throughout the lamella that connects the lacunae with each other. Lacunae that are the tiny chambers in which osteocytes are present. In this picture, you can see the detailed structure of compact bone. Part B shows the different Haversian systems that are present with each other. In part C, it is the single Haversian system in which central canal is present. Within the central canal, arterioles and venules and nerves are present, while lacunae are arranged in circles around the central canal. Whereas picture D, it shows the structure of osteon, single osteon, in which in center the osteocyte is present, while the chamber in which osteocyte is present is known as lacunae, and the tiny channels that are known as canaliculi which connects the lacunae with each other, while the matrix is known as lamella. Spongy bone, the second part of the bone that is present inside the bone. Spongy bone is composed of minute spikes of bones that are called trabeculae, which gives sponge-like appearance to the bone. It is lighter than compact bone and it is highly vascular. The spaces are filled with red bone marrow that is responsible for the formation of RBCs. Osteocytes are irregularly present in the trabeculae. Osteoprogenitor cells, these are the stem cells that are present in the inner portion of the compact bone. Stem cells are those cells that are indifferentiate cells. They developed osteoblast cells that helps in repairing of the bone. Types of bone cells. There are three types of bone cells. First one is osteocytes. These are mature bone cells. Second one is osteoblast cells. These cells are known as the bone forming cells. Osteoclast cells. These are bone degenerating cells that break down the bone and deposit the calcium and phosphate in the blood. It is important for the growth and repair of the bone. These are the four types of the cells: osteocytes, osteoblast, osteogenic or osteoprogenitor cells, and osteoclast cells. Osteocytes, these are the mature bone cells. Osteoblast cells, that are the bone forming cells. Osteoprogenitor cells or osteogenic cells, that are known as stem cells that develops into osteoblast cells, and osteoclast cells are the bone degenerating cells. Cartilage, it is the soft connective tissue. It is more flexible than bone because the matrix is gel-like and it contains many collagenous and elastic fibers. The cells of cartilage are known as chondrocytes. There are three types of cartilage. First one is hyaline cartilage. It is flexible and have abundance of collagenous fiber. Second one is fibrocartilage. It is composed of collagenous fibers and it gives support to the body. Elastic cartilage. It is more flexible than the other two types of the cartilage. Location of different cartilages in the body. In this picture, it shows the location of different cartilage in different parts of the body. The blue one shows the hyaline cartilage that is present between the ribs and the sternum, and it is present in shoulder joint, in elbow joint, while in the joint of the wrist, and it is also present between the hip joints. The second one is the elastic cartilage that is shown with the green color, and it is present in our ear. The last one is fibrocartilage that gives support to the body, so it is present in the places of the body that supports the body weight. It is present in knee joint and between the vertebrae. Thank you students for your attention.